have here, you can see like bam, bam, bam. Anything else? Bam. I will deal with this. I want this one gone today also. This is fourth today. This one will be done. This is done tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, we will see what we can finish today also. But it's just, you know, like so many things, you know, like, you know, so a lot of time I'm just walking around and looking and, oh, what I need to do. I could do something else, you know, like sometimes this wood just killing me. It's killing me, you know, it's so many small details to do, you know, like I can't run away from this, no break. So I will break before I break this.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Hey guys.
Plain water. And you know what? It's a hot day in Florida. It's not fun, no bueno. But I don't have anybody else to do that except me, so well, we can hang out here. It's fun. You know, to try this one day. You will love it. Especially in Florida.
Like F off, you know, done. Like that's it. You know, it's not just done. It's really, I mean, done. First coat of finish. And this coat I'm putting, it doesn't matter. Later I'm taking care about coat because it will be sanding. This one can go anyhow, doesn't matter. Only what's important is to do the edges first, and when you do the edging first, then you're preventing overcoating, like more coatings that actually you don't need, that they will make a problem. So you want tiny coats. You don't want too big coats anywhere. Okay, now this one is ready for installation. And this one is ready for installation also. I'm happy with this, that's good. Now what I need to do is actually to prepare this section. I need to sand. I re-glue some stuff, so I need to sand, fix, and now to work on that section there before everything go in. This is drawers. So they are nice. I finished this wall. It's not 100% done yet, but it's really close. And I need to fix some sliders, you know, I need to fix some sliders, but you can see inside it's really nice. This is sand. I need to clean all this, a little bit messy, but it's really nice. I'm satisfied with it. Only what I need to do is actually, I need to cut here and put the grab handle that you can pull handle actually, or yeah. So that's what I need to install in each of them. Yeah. Yeah, and that will be special job. Nice. I finished this wall. here, but you can see the shine. Look, you can see like in a wood, my hand. Cool. I'm doing the steps, but I paint inside, so I can't do inside now. So I take them out, clean them, and I'm doing coating now here on the deck for steps. Okay, so also what I want to do is cut here in the corner and make it possible for cleaning the corner, because when the food came here, it will be stuck in a corner. So we will make opening now.
I think I will sand this by the hand. No need for crazy sanding here. This is a good cut. What I'm doing, I'm putting here in a palm. And that's all the smooth. So what I did here, I smoothed it down. And you can see here, I smoothed it like down, you know? So that I have that nice transition, you know, with the flow. You see? Now, by cutting the meat, this, that, you know, you can clean it out. Because these gaps here, they will be filled flush, you know. So that will be, okay, I don't want to put the coat down here. I don't want to put the coat because if I need to sand a little bit more, but right now I don't know till we finish the top. So, but I think that will be fine. You know? Yeah, that will be fine. you know, when you're washing it, water here, food and everything, and then it go on the top. So because of this, you can clean, especially in the corners. That's the reason why I just did this on a corner, because you can bring from everywhere and clean out here. You know, just slide out everything. So that's the reason why I made this here. I think it will be nice. What do you think?
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you.